is Alfred Chin Arpancho, grade 4 Einstein. Good evening, Sir Monserrate. Good evening, fellow classmates. This is my project on APP on how to make a PowerPoint on a computer or a laptop. Let's start. First, I will design my PowerPoint. And I will design the PowerPoint more, like this, to make it beautiful. Then I will write my name. Then I will go to the insert and go to the icons. Press this apple and I will insert it. So it will be better. And I will make more slides until I get to 10.
Parang
I'm gonna show you the 10 slides. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. And this is the fifth. This is the sixth. And this is the seventh, eighth, and ninth. The last one. That's all. Thank you for watching.